Hello friends, so welcome again to my YouTube channel where we'll give you update on what is happening in Nigeria, Africa and across the world in the world of crypto. Alright, so today I just want to give you a brief lecture on when to DCA and how to DCA. Of course, this has been a major problem in the crypto world. Many people has really lost money trading, future trading. So today I'm going to be solving this problem for you, and I believe solving this problem I've solved over 50% of your challenge in crypto trading. Oftentimes, people tend to DCA at any point, and which is not actually good for them. So they have to DCA at a point where it works, not because you're in minus 10, minus 20, you DCA. No, so that is a point of no return in the crypto journey. I call it the point of no return because doing that will make you lost a lot of money. All right, so I'll be using BTC as a practical, and um, I will be showing you various resistance points where resistance and support where you need to DCA. Maybe for instance, you place BTC on a long trend and something is happening. So I'm using my phone for this explanation. Let's, for instance, you are on BTC long at 29568.8. You are longing, you are buying BTC, and suddenly it begins to drop onto this place, maybe as a result of the news or other factors that affect it. And you don't need to come out with this loss from the market. You need to gain some profit, you need to DCA and make some money. Dollar cost average, of course, you know that. So this is what you will do to DCA. For instance, you're on the market on long, and the market has brought you to this level, and I'm going to be showing you what to do. First of all, you get your pencil, you marked out strategic position where you see that there are obstacles, there are supports there because you're on long and it's going down. So where there is major support, you try to put it there. This is one support. This is one support. Okay, I'll be using my my blue for the mark there. This is one support here. All right, so a good position to DCA is at this position. Remember, see where I'm marking. Okay, if you're using the indicator I'm using, this is a good position to DCA. Now you set here on limit order to DCA. And also, you're going to pick another DCA point. I'm using 30 minutes to explain this, so I'm going to touch other watch other time frame. Okay, so let's assuming I will pick here again. I will mark this place. There are various activities that happen. Watch, whenever this candle gets to this place, it tends to revise back. All right, so these are the things we are looking. Though it was able to break here, but it has broken it and you need to DCA. So I'm marking some strategic point for you to go into the market and help yourself out. So all right, so we will take this place also. Now I will go to 1 hour to also mark that strategic point in this candle point. Okay, this is another place, so I'm coming. Please just follow with care. Okay, this is another place. Why did I mark? Because I'm using my indicator and this is showing me good position that things always happen here. Just because this candle could not successfully break here, what happened? It came down here because of the news and it went back. All right, so that is a good position to DCA. Now the candle is going long and it gets to this place. There is a barrier there. It's coming down. All right, so but this place is a good position to DCA. I'm going to give you another position again. We are in 2 hours. Good. Now this is another place to DCA. marked all the strategic place. Now in 3 hours, this middle Boliga band is between the 2 hour and the 1 hour resistance point. All right, so everything is in order. All right, so I'm explaining. So you go to 4 hour to check also where to DCA. Now look here, it also is still within this area. So if you DCA at this place, and this place, set it on limit order. If it breaks this final one, please leave this market. Manipulation is going on, because it's very difficult for candle to come all the way from the upper Bollinger Band and come down here and still break this line. So all you just need to do is to understand this. If the candle breaks this place we have marked, if it breaks it, breaks here, and form a new candle here, please know that the market is going down. Just leave the market and go with your losses. But with the help of this, you cannot lose the market. All right, so this is a better way to do it. Now, practicing this thing all the time will help you to come out well. All right, so guys, there's this platform I'm using to trade. It's called CoinW. So if you're interested in learning how to trade very well, why not drop your comment in the comment section, so that I will give you more update on what we are doing. So you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Now, I've given you what you need to know on this channel. So let's look at this. Let's look at this before I round up. If you see, here is a very, 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 very strong support zone. Now this is a very, very, very strong support zone, and that is why you see what is playing is playing. Of course, you see that in this zone, this candle could not break easily, despite the fact that the news on forest factory favors the United States dollar. But we observed that the candle could not break it easily. Now I'm looking at something. If this candle forms above the next candle coming up in the next few minutes under the 4-hour time frame, could break this place and form below, this market will short more. This market will come down to this place peradventure, and if it continue, it will go down more. So this is how to analyze a simple trade. I'm just giving you idea on what to do. All right, now remember that there's always a pressure whatsoever, no matter the direction of the candle. There's always a pressure trying to withstand this candle, either from going up or coming down, and that is called your resistance and your support. On top is your resistance, the down is your support. So this is forming a strong support for your candle. But if it breaks it down, expect this candle to come here in the next 9 minutes. And if it's able to break it and pass through this place, then the candle is coming more down. So that's why I said, if you put a first limit order here, the second here, and the third here, if it breaks it, please do where to leave the market. If the next candle form below this, do where to leave the market. And it's an easy way I could teach you how to successfully have a future life of trading. So once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. I said I train with CoinW, and if you are free, you want to join my group in trading, drop your comment. I'm going to give you a link to register, brother, and you will be part of our community in trading. Thanks, and God bless you.